Welcome to Annapolis, where we're making our final preparation for our 600 nautical mile passage to the Bahamas. Today we had a huge grocery delivery to organize and put away, and Brad and the boys are changing out the sail bag.
Keep going. That's it.
We did it.
We did it.
Nice. First time that we put another one of these on. Yep.
Oh, we tend to change these things out like we do underwear.
We do? How many times have we switched that?
Okay, now you need to put it all the way through the other side here. This isn't easy. Won't be able to get that nut back in again. Oh, wait, it slides. Okay, smile.
Aside from boat chores, we took the time to visit the U.S. Naval Academy, which was quite a sight to see. I visited when I was a child and was happy to get the boys to witness the inspiration and grandeur of the facility. The 4,500 students do this procession every day before lunch. We had some nasty weather in Annapolis. The storm surge breached many docks and spilled onto the whole downtown area. Rather than sit on board in the cold and rain, we made sure Hangtime was tied down tight and went to DC for the weekend. Ben wanted to see the mummies at the Smithsonian, so we spent an afternoon downtown in the museum and on the National Mall. It worked out so well that the boys were able to trick-or-treat with friends in the suburbs, something they haven't been able to do for years. Yes, they're the huge dino and the dragon. Here goes. It's 10:30. We just got back from DC, had an awesome weekend. Great time trick-or-treating. Got back, unloaded a massive stock off of the dinghy. We had batteries on there. We had all of our Halloween stuff, all of our laundry. Anyway, it's all unloaded on the boat. I've been unpacking and we're leaving. So we're heading out tonight, even though it's late and it's dark and we want to sleep. It's the right time to go. The tide is going to be with us. It's calm. And then we'll exit the Chesapeake tomorrow during daylight and be able to cross around Cape Hatteras during daylight as well the following day, which is much safer.
Oh my gosh! Look at the boat. Guys, just careful if the sail comes over, okay? Whoa! Ruby, stay away from all dolphins.
We exited the Chesapeake and continued southward to Cape Hatteras. We were turning eastward at the famous Outer Bank Lighthouse when a pod of dolphins excitedly approached Hangtime and sent us off on our Gulf Stream crossing. Watch next time to see how difficult it ended up being for us to finally make landfall in Bahamas.